Kadosh sung by Paul Wilbur and choreography by Kathy Wells. It's a beautiful dance she's an artist and the Lord gave her this beautiful choreography. So I'll come with my back to the camera to show you the parts. There's 3 parts. We'll start with part 1, facing center, left foot forward into a chirkasia. We turn right, right, left, right, left. We are shielding our eyes from the Holy Spirit. Right foot forward the second time around. Hold hands, closed mind to the left, front, side, behind, side. We always start with the left foot, shield our face, back on that chirkasia, shield right, left, and a chirkasia. That's part 1. Part 2, we're going to be facing center and our palms are going to be facing out to protect us. We're going to do a side left, together left, side right, together right, palms in on the turns, left, touch right, right, left, touch left. We repeat that. Left, together left, side right, together right. It's very slow. Turn left, touch right, left, touch left. Part 3, chirkasia with the right foot forward, a 1, 2, 3 up mine, right, left up, step left, right, up, palms out, side right, together right, together right foot chirkasia, close mind, 1, 2, 3 up, left, right, up, side right, together right. And that's part 1, 2, and 3 of the dance.